Good morning, children. I hope you all are good and taking good care of yourself. Today, I'm going to tell you a story about self control. Yes, so the first lesson that we are going to read today in life skill is Jasrin's Race with Self. So, let's read the story. Jasrin loved running ever since she took first part in athletics at her school. She has discovered her love for feeling of the wind in her hair and on her face and winning. She won as she was the fastest among all the children in her competition and she loved it. They inspired her to run faster every time and to participate in all the sport meets in school than outside. Her parents realized her aptitude and decided to support her in all ways. That meant taking her to practice session on many days of the week after school for hours and sometimes even weekend. Yes, children. So this girl loves running, right? She was an athletic girl, and she used to run very fast. So the parents were very proud to see that, and they always used to support her in the running. Rigorous workout sessions also meant a strict regain of diet, nutrition, and most of all, sleep. After all, she was a growing teenage girl. She needed all the strength she had for the sports and more. With her attention to discipline at times, she won every race she took part in. See, when you have to, run very fast, or when you have to do any physical activity, children, then you have to have a proper diet, a proper nutritious diet, and you have to have a proper sleep. So she used to follow all that. In the 11th grade, Justin made friends with some of her new students in her school. They enjoyed going to movies and eating out late. They were not serious about their education, and time management was not their priority. Not only time, they preferred to eat junk food and unhealthy meals. Jasreen and the group was completely different in their eating habits. So when she grew up, when she was in 11th standard, she made new friends. And those friends were not at all into eating good healthy food or sleeping on time or nothing like that. But Jasreen was totally a different girl. Soon enough, Jasreen started making excuses to miss her practice session. She wanted to sleep late and not to attend school. Her parents and her coach Jacob wondered if she was all right. The food she wanted was a far cry from the healthy meals that she normally ate. Her lack of discipline was strange to everybody around. So now because she made these new friends, she also started eating the unhealthy food and sleeping late. The trial of national selection was starting soon and Jacob, her coach, needed her to attend the practice even more. Jasrin, meet me at 4 p.m. sharp at the stadium. Nah, sir, I promised to meet a friend at a mall. I can come at 5 o'clock. Jacob was very disturbed and tried his best to explain the seriousness to her attendance. Jasrin didn't look like she cared or heard. The day was on the trial. So now just the Jacob said that there is a national selection going on, so we need to practice for the running. So you come to the stadium. So she said, no, I need to go and meet my friend. I will come at 5 o'clock. So the coach was very disturbed. He said, why are you doing this? You don't want to get selected or what? The first day, Justin was 50th out of 12 participants. The second day, her position was no better. 5 days of trial and she did not qualify. So when Justin started running, she did not qualify because she was not running well. The shock on all the faces around her unnerved Justin. She came home crying. No one said anything. The next day, the alarm ran at 4:30 in the morning. By 5 a.m., Justin was out running. By 8, she went to the school on the ground. Jacob had only to look at her to realize that Justin was back. So when she did not qualify in the national, she started crying and she realized that no, I need to practice. So from the next day, she started her practice again. She dropped her new friends. Hey, we are heading to the movie. Are you coming along? Asked the friends. Sorry, I have to be in bed by 9 p.m. Have a race tomorrow. And with the wave, she was off. So she also dropped those new friends and she said, no, I can't go out with you. I need to sleep early. She gradually became the representative of the school and for many state and national level competition. She was soon chosen to represent the country at international sport event. The achievements did not come easy. So she again, when she started working hard, her achievements started coming. So she had to put in a lot of effort. Her training schedule as an athlete of international standard had to be very extensive to maintain her stamina in the face of a thought competition. Justin's schedule was planned smartly and developed healthy habit. It was important to keep a discipline so that she did not burn out and continue to achieve the best. Fortunately, she had seen on time how much self control and self discipline were required to really achieve the high of a chosen field. Yes, children, without self discipline, without self control, we cannot get anything. Consistency is something that we need to keep in mind always when we start doing something, and especially when you are an athlete, you have to be very motivated, very self controlled, and very active and self disciplined. Otherwise you will not be able to achieve the result that you're looking for. You will not be able to win your matches. So with this, I hope you all will understand the importance of time. You will understand how you have to be self motivated, disciplined, and controlled in your life, and see how easily you can achieve things. So this was all about Justin's race with self. I hope you like the story. I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye. Take care.